Okay, you're looking at a plasma 51-inch made by Samsung, model PN51D 450A2D. Back has been removed, unit plugged in. Wife was using it yesterday, heard a loud pop noise, and then screen went blank, unable to turn it on. The front red standby light is on. When I power it on, this is what I'm getting at the logic board. So I heard a loud click, then two softer clicks, and then it goes to this slow blink for several minutes. It seems like probably only maybe 2. So that's what I'm looking at. I didn't know if that green light indicates that that board is bad, or if that's the only green light on the logic board indicating there's a problem somewhere. So if you have any input, give me any tips, tell me what I should look into or anything I'm looking for now. Just any help would greatly be appreciated. Thanks for watching.